In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pixelverse to MetaMask. This is actually quite easy. First, you want to open up your MetaMask wallet, and down at the very bottom on your home screen, so the first thing you see when you open up the app, you want to click where it says Don't see your token, Import Tokens. Click on that blue Import Tokens, and then you want to search for Pixelverse. There we go. As you can see, it pops up. You want to mark it, so click on it, and then click Next, and click Import. So this will then give you a notification saying Imported Token, you have imported a token. Once you've done this, you want to click Import Tokens yet again, and click down there at the very bottom in the middle where there's an arrow up and an arrow down. You want to press that button and click Receive Crypto, which is the last option down below. Once you click this, you will get an address which you want to copy, and it will say public address copied to your clipboard, as you can see. And now what you want to do is go inside your Telegram. Let me show you this real quick. So you want to go to your Pixelverse bot in Telegram and click Launch Bot. And then once you've done this, it will open up the Pixelverse bot. There we go. And you want to click at the very top in the middle where there's that wallet icon. Simply click it. And then you want to click Connect Wallet, which is the second tab up there. And you want to scroll down because there's no MetaMask on this list. You want to click on Other, which is the last option. And you want to paste in your deposit address we just copied, okay? So we've done this, and then once you do that, you want to simply click Next. So you can do this by simply clicking Made It over here in the middle. And then once you do this, in a second or two, as you can see, it says your wallet is connected. You can click Gotcha, and that's it. Now, as you can see, under the wallets, you now have a wallet, which is called Other, and it's your MetaMask wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's how to connect Pixelverse to MetaMask. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.